Okay, good morning class. So at this point we're marking the homework. The homework was decimal practice. You had to do skills 1 to skills 5. You had to do the odd numbers only, correct? Okay. So I'm going to call out the answers. If you had a problem, you let me know which one of the sums that I must re-explain. Otherwise, we need to mark the other work as well. So skills 1. The first answer is 0,3. Number 3 is 0,019. Number 5 is 0,91. Number 5 is 2.1. Sorry, number 7 is 2.1. Number 9 is 6,11. Number 11 is 8,101. Number 13 is 1.9. Number 15 is 6,138. Number 17 is 7,6. Number 19 is 5,016. Number 21 is 8 over 10 or 4 over 5. Remember 8 over 10, 2 can go into numerator and denominator. So you must simplify it as far as possible. Not so. So it's going to be 4 over 5. Number 23 is 2 over 100, which is 1 over 50. Number 25 is 13 over 1000. Number 27 is 214 over 10,000, which is also 107 over 500. Number 29 is 148 over 1000, which is 37 over 250. Number 31 is 2 and 8 over 10, which is 2 and 4 over 5. Number 33 is 8 and 75 over 100, which is 8 and 3 over 4. Number 35 is 10 and 873 over 1000. Number 37 is 8 and 114 over 1000, or 8 and 57 over 500. Number 39 is 2 and 3 over 1000. Number 2, skill 2, that wasn't an issue when we marked it, okay? So I doubt you guys will have a problem. Anybody had a problem with number 2? From 1 to 5. Yes?
I don't understand how to put the decimal numbers into expanded form.
In expanded form. No, that I'm going to do now. Okay, so skill 2, number 7. Yes? Perfect. Number 7 is 9 times 1 plus 4 times 0, 1. Yes?
Is it okay if it's 1 over 10?
Yeah, 1 over 10 is the same as 0, 0, as 0, 1. But then again, they want it in decimal. But it's fine for now. And then it's going to be 4 times 0, 1. And 8 times 0, 1. Any issues there? Number 9 is going to be 6 times 1 plus 1 times 0, 1. Skill 3. Number 1. 21 and 3 over 9. 21 and 21,39. Number 3. 6,013. Number 5, 7,04. Am I moving too fast? No. Number 7, 3.6. Number 9, 8.2. Number 11, 2.5. Number 13 is 6.3. Number 15 is 3,142. Number 17 is 1.3. Number 19 is 6.4. Okay? Skill 4. Number 1, 16,535. Number 2, 30,607. Number 5, 29,56. Number 7, 27,6. Number 9, 19.3. 13. You got it?
What piece? So I thought 17,1.
17,13 is correct. Yes. Did I say 19,13? My mistake? 17,13. That girl lost a pencil bag. Did anybody pick it up in the previous lesson? Geography. What color is it? Did anybody pick? Is it in the previous lesson you lost it? Or did you lose it in the previous lesson? Just hang on, just give it a chance. Yeah, we're going to stop the whole school day now to look for your pencil bag. Okay. People, number 13. 13. Or number 11. 18,37. Number 13. 27,46. Number 15. 36,87. Number 17. 52,1. Number 19 is 20,962. Number 5. 2,29. Number 3 is 1,483. Number 5 is 2,121. Number 7 is 2,002. Number 9 is 0,918. Number 11 is 0,113. Number 13 is 10.253. Number 15 is 1,874. Number 17 is 1,333. Number 19 is 1,004. Okay. Then I ask you to do skill 6 and 7. Those skills I'm going to do on the board quickly. We're running out of time here because there's still certain questions out of the Bodmas I wanted to do before the bell rings. And hopefully I won't keep you in break today, and you must understand that to be detention for not doing homework. The reason why I kept you in that day was, why did I keep you in that day? There we go, we took most of the time marking the books, no? It wasn't because of not doing homework, no? Otherwise, how can I punish the whole class? Because the whole class didn't do. Did the whole class not do homework? No, so I couldn't have. It's going to be unfair of me to punish the whole class for the act that somebody else done, not so. And I think I'm fair. I think I'm fair. I hope so. Sorry?
How many hours?
For not doing homework? 1 hour after school. Yes, so what do you think? I keep you during a break? No, Michael. Nee, my kind. Right. People, skill 6. I asked you to do, and this was on page 55. Skill 6, page 55. Skill 6, page 55. Right, multiplying decimals. People, multiply decimals. Firstly, you need to know how to multiply numbers. That's the first thing. If you can't multiply numbers, then you can't multiply decimals. Makes sense? Because when we multiply numbers, this is one extra step we do when we multiply decimals. And you'll see the step now. Yes, Michael? Yes, give me a chance. I see you want to be a teacher as well. No? Am I right? You don't want to become a maths teacher? Why not? Listen, when you guys become maths teachers one day, the children is not going to be like you. The children is going to do their work all the time. No? We're going to listen to the teacher. Not like you guys. Generating to worse students. You might not teach your own children. There's somebody else's children. Yes? It's fine. You just don't need to look at me. Okay. Right. People, skill 6. A. So, in other words, you're just going to say 6 times 12. For now. It's 12 times 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6 times 1 plus 1. 7. So now you ask yourself, how many decimals are after the comma? 1. So it must be 1 decimal. 7,2. Yes, Michael. Ay, you every time got a story for me. Right, talk. Talk, Mike.
When with division, when you're doing division multiplication.
We're busy with multiplication.
I know, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you would, the focus would move the comment.
Don't move the comment, just do what I'm doing. It works all the time. Yeah, you can. You can do that, but just stick to what I'm showing you here. It works for what we need to do. Is that okay? Okay. Let's go to B. So there's going to be 59 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry 7. 5 times 8 plus 7? 47. So how many digits after the comma? 1. So 47 comma. Understand? So instead of moving the comma and moving it back, and just do this, it works. Your teacher, everybody got the story from primary. I think you guys are missing primary. Who's missing primary school? Oh my word! You were missing the work from primary school. The extra breaks. What you missing? The free periods from primary school. Yes, listen, one time when I have time, I'm going to make a note of all the stuff you tell me. For maths, all the free periods you had in primary school. Alright, here we go, next one. 78 times 12. So 2 times 8, 16, carry 1, 14, 15. So it's going to be 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 7 is 7. You add, you get 6, 13, 7, 8, 9. So how many digits after the comma? 1. You guys understand? Right. I also must primary school now all of a sudden. Yo! I told you I started teaching in 2005 and you weren't born yet. Wasn't thinking of you, you said. What did you say? 11? No, man. And again, I would emphasize the reason why they have story time in the morning where you can tell your stories is for giving you opportunity to talk. You must tell Ms. Muhammad to give you that time. So you're using my time now to talk too much. Yes? Yes?
When you're doing the sum,
Shh, people, I can't hear the question. Yes?
when you're doing the multiplication, do you just like remove the decimal?
Yeah. For now, we just take the decimal away. Once you multiply, we put the decimal where it needs to be. Okay? You'll see in the division, it's a bit different. Good. Then we're going to move as you said. Let's look at D. Is 11 times 8, not so? So it's going to be 88. So now you see how many digits after the comma here? 1, and here's 1. In total it's 2. So there must be 2 digits after the comma. Here's 1, 2. So the comma lies there. So what must happen here? 0. Who got that one right? Right, nice. Let's look at the next one. So it's going to be 15 times 23 or 23 times 50. 3 times 5 is? Carry 1. 3 times 3? Sorry, 3 times 1? Plus 1? 4. So it's 0. 2 times 5? 10. Is that 1? 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is? 3. So you add. So it's 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. How many digits after the comma? 1 in the first number, 1 in the second number. So how many in total? 2. So I must have 2 digits after the comma. 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember, you're going to get this in your next exam. Okay, so know these things. Okay, next one. It's 45 times 87. Or 87 times 45. 5 times 7 is 35. 28, 29, 30, 31. 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 32, 36. That's going to give you 5, 1, 9, 3. How many digits after the comma? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3. Who got that one right? Nice. Okay, for those of you who don't understand, You finding difficulty understanding? Please watch the video. Otherwise, there's classes on a Monday, Tuesday and Thursday from 3 till 4 every day of those days. There's 2 teachers involved. Okay. Yes.
So why do you have to have a day you have extra meal?
If you have extra music on a Monday and every day you have. So then when must we have the
Tuesday and Thursday.
So if you can't make Tuesday and Thursday, that's why we have the Monday. And if you can't make the Monday and the Tuesday, we got the Thursday. Can't make the Thursday and the Wednesday, we got the Thursday and the Tuesday, we got the Monday. So your extramurals are aligned in such a way that you can make it at least one of the 3 days. Yes, Michael. And you must remember, your maths overrides all your extramural activities. No? You know that. It's academics first and then your playtime. No? Yes.
Because on Wednesday you have your staff meeting and on Friday it's not.
No, Fridays I have class on Friday. After mosque, we have the grade 12s. Wednesday, it is because of the staff meeting. We don't want you to stay for an hour and then come for class. We want you to go home and go sleep. No? Or do your homework. Okay. People at this point, shh, come. The next one is multiplying groups of 10. So that's skill 7. Sorry? Did I say I must do skill 7? Yes, I did. Aren't you the one that's supposed to be taking the homework for the group and you don't know what to do? Who's taking our homework? What's your name? Are you Madison? Campbell, okay, I know your sister. No, you was here last year. Nice. People multiply by groups of 10. So what's going to happen here? It's going to move by how many units? 1. So it's going to be, so it's going to move to there. 203, comma 6. This one's going to move 2 units, not so? So it's 2036. It's going to move by 3 units. It's 1, 2, you need another 0. 3. 20360. 360. We move it according to the how many zeros there are. There's 1 0, so I move the comma by 1 unit. 2 zeros, I move the comma by 2 units. 3 zeros, I move it by the comma by 3 units. You guys understand? Right. Sorry? I'm very sorry that it's so easy, Michael. Now she says it's so simple. I can't help for that. Everything in maths is simple. No? Yes, okay. Here we go. We are on E now. Come, E. G. This one move by how many units? So it goes there. So it's 0, 1258. If I put another 0 here, it doesn't have a place value there. Oops. You all agree with that? So I just leave it out. The next one, how many units must this one move? So move it 1, 2. So it's 1, 258. Why 2 units? 2 zeros after the comma. The next one, must move it how many values? 3. 1, 2, 3. 12, 5. Okay, any issues there? Right. Did I ask you to do skills 8 as well? No. For homework. Right, Madison, here we go. It is skill 6 and 7. You do for me odd numbers. Skill 6 and 7. Odd numbers is on page 67. Give me odd numbers. Then you do for me skills 8 and 9. Skills 8, 9 and 10 on page 55. That is your diagnostic test. So that is a bit shorter, so you do all 5 sums. Okay, you guys know what to do? Yes. The page number is 55. Skills 6, no. Skill 8, 9 and 10. It's on page 55. And skill 6 and 7 is on page 67. You do for me odd numbers only. That's your comprehensive exercise. A lot of sums there, so I'll give you half of it. The diagnostic test is most only 5 sums per section. You do all of them. Again, I will do that on the board tomorrow. Okay, sure. Then, yesterday we done some Bodmas, not so. We just grab the Bodmas answers. Now, some of these answers is not correct. Okay. We just get that. I didn't have time to correct the answers that we have wrong. So if it is a problem, just let me know and I'll try and do it on the board, okay, and pick up where the mistake is. Where's the answer sits? Yeah. Right. Listen carefully, you let me know where the issues are, okay. People, when you do this work, you can't just write answers down only. Okay, you must show you're working out. That is why it says on top there, show all intermediate steps. Okay. So Bodmas, here we go. The first you have to do book A, worksheet 1, the even numbers. Your first answer is 5 is correct. The next one, 8 is correct. 16, sorry. Number 6, 15 is correct. Number 8, 2 is correct. Number 10, 6 over 5 over 12. Who got 5 over 12? Right, it's correct. Nice. 5 over 12. Okay. Number 5 over 12. Yeah. Number 12, 21. Number 14, 10 over 21. Number 16, 1 over 3. Number 18, 1 over 3. Number 20, 7 over 2. Number 22, 1 over 6. Number 24, 16. Number 26, 16. Number 28, 3 over 2. Number 30, 30. For homework. For homework, it is book A, worksheet 2, odd numbers. Book A, worksheet 2, the odd numbers. Now coming to the issues we had with regards to, did I cut this now yesterday? No. So I'm sure there's issues now, no? No problem. We'll try and sort it out for you, okay? Yes, Michael? Yeah, I thought you were going to ask me an important question. Is that important to you? Right, go quickly. Make quick, no? Yes, Michael, why is your hand up? Yes, just hang on. This is book A, worksheet 1, even numbers, no? Right. Let's go through the first few. Any problems with number 2? 4, 6, just put up your hand, eh? Or just call it out. 8? No? Who says yes? Right, that's simply, this is simply, that needs to be done first. So it's 16 divided by 8, which is, where did you go wrong?
Just the calculation.
You don't know how to multiply 4 and 2?
I do.
Just what say?
Oh, I was doing it at night. So
At night. You don't have light at home?
I do.
You do, sir?
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping.
I was sleeping.
Okay, no problem. Listen, you do your maths. Listen, when you do your homework, you do your maths first,
Yes, but like,
so that you don't fall asleep on your maths book.
after the swimming goal, I just.
Oh, the swimming gone. Okay, nice. How was it? It was nice, no? Yes. Hard? Oh, it's hot. Yeah, that's why we must swim in summer. Okay. People number 10. Any issues there? No. Huh? Yes. People, 8 plus 4? 12. So it's 5 divided by 12. 5 by 12. You are always right. How can you be wrong? 5 divided by 12 is 5 by 12. But remember, 1 divided by 2 is 1 over 2. Yeah. Yes. Come, you must give other people also a chance to speak. Yes. Why? Why it become a fraction? You see, no? If you look at the pi, okay, and you want to represent this part here only, no? So if you ask you how much is of this pi is shaded, is 1 out of 2 parts is shaded. If you look at 12, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is not 12. 12, let's go again. So it's, I'm messing it up again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say that is 12. And you say it's evenly divided and all of those things. No? And you say, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How do we represent that? This is 5 out of, or 5 divided by 12. 5 out of 12 parts are shaded. That is why it's written. You understand? Okay. 5 out of the 12 parts are shaded. Sorry, negative. Mixed fraction. Or you can leave it in improper fraction form. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. Like I said, when it comes to algebra, then I would prefer you to leave it in improper form. That's why you always see me tend to leave things in improper form. Okay. People number 12, any issues there? Number 14. That is simply 3 times 7 is 21. 10 divided by 21 is going to be 10 over 21. Okay. Any confusion there? That was number 14. No? No. 14. Right, number 16. Number 16. Any issues there? Yes, Michael? Problem? You got it wrong. So this here is 6 divided by, what's 3 times 6? 18. Which is 6 over 18. What number goes into both?
All house captains. All the house captains. Can you meet Miss Levinson in the art room, which is room 58, just for 2 minutes now at break? All house captains to please meet Miss Levinson in room 58 for 2 minutes at break. Thank you.
Alright, let's just finish this up before before we leave for break. This is not a detention. Is this a detention? No. Yes, Michael.
Okay, so for our previous podcast, we wrote the I make it into a fraction now.
You see, if this was, now you see the design of that worksheet is different. You understand? So if this was like that, it's 18 divided by 6. That is 18 over 6, which is 3. But now we're dealing with fractions. That is why the worksheet is designed on fractions. Okay. But still, Bodmas applies. Good. Okay. And now you find. Right. People, what's your LCM here? What's your LCM here? 6. So you must multiply this by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 must be multiplied by 2. 1 times 2 is? So it's going to be 2 times. What's 3 minus 2?
1.
So it's 1 over 6. Now what? 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6. 3 times. 1 over 3. Any problems with number 20? No. Number 22? No. In all the videos, when you come next year as well, you just look for this on the screen. Then you know exactly which sum or which exercise you're on. Okay. Number 24? No. 26? No. 28? No, 28. What is 6 plus, which is 6 plus 9 plus 6?